This topic is about greedy algorithm. Let us look in detail. The term greedy algorithm was first coined by the Dutch computer scientist and mathematician Edgar W. Dijkstra. First of all, let us know what is greedy algorithm. It is a technique more than an algorithm. It is the most straightforward and direct approach algorithm. The decision in greedy algorithm is taken based on current information or value without worrying about the future decision. The solution can be optimal or cannot be optimal. Optimal means it is the best or most favorable solution. A solution is nothing but any subsets that satisfy the condition is a feasible solution. Now let us see an example. Consider a monkey on one end of the pond and it wants to go to the other end of the pond where there is a banana tree. For best case scenario, let us think how it goes to the banana tree. It always chooses the shortest distance to reach the destination. According to greedy algorithm, it chooses the shortest way. So according to the monkey, it follows the following steps. As the first step, if it needs to reach the left side of the rock, it needs to cross two crocodiles. If it needs to go to the right side of the rock, it has to cross three crocodiles. It always chooses the optimal solution, so it jumps to the left side of the rock. So the next thing is that the right side of the rock has less number of crocodiles. So the monkey again jumps there. Next, in the same way, it chooses a path which has less number of crocodiles and reaches the banana tree. In order to construct a solution in the most optimal way, the algorithm maintains two sets. One is choose an item and the other is rejected item. Choose an item gives the minimum value whereas rejected item gives the maximum value. It makes the good local choices with the hope they result in optimal or feasible solution. There are five components in a greedy algorithm. They are the first comes the candidate set. A solution is created from the set. The second is the selection function. It is used to choose the best candidate or subset that is needed to be added to the solution. The third is the feasibility function. It is used to determine whether the candidate can be able to contribute to solution. The fourth is the objective function. It is used to assign a value to a solution or a partial function. And the final is solution function. It is used to indicate whether a complete solution is reached or not. So here comes the pseudocode of the greedy algorithm. Initially, the solution is assigned with zero value. We pass the array number of elements in the greedy algorithm. Inside the for loop, we select the element one by one and it checks whether the solution is feasible or not. If the solution is feasible, we perform the union. For example, let us take a real life example to understand more clearly about greedy algorithm. If we are in a starting location and if we want to reach the destination, we can take any path to reach the destination, but we always choose the shortest path to reach the destination within the time. Like that, the greedy algorithm always chooses the shortest path to get the optimal and feasible solution. Like a greedy algorithm is utilized to build a Huffman tree that compresses a given image, spreadsheet, or video into a lossless compressed life. It is also used to solve optimization problems like graph, map coloring, graph vertex cover, snapshot problem, job scheduling problem, and activity selection problem.